According to astronauts, the only sign that sentient life exists on Earth as viewed from space are the lights that illuminate the sky. The Earth would appear identical to any other planet in the universe if not for these lights. Astronomers hypothesize that by searching for indications of artificial lights on their surface, we might be able to find additional planets in the galaxy that may harbour intelligent life. And the recently launched James Webb Space Telescope may enable us to find signs of artificial light on specific planets. Let's look at this matter more closely in the video. Hello everybody, greetings from the space venture. Here we introduce you to the wonders of the cosmos. We give you exciting and enlightening information on cosmic statistics and facts. Therefore, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to never miss an update. With that said, let's get started. The glow of lights from our planet's night side is the clearest indication that civilization exists when viewed from space. The enormous cities that can be seen from above radiate light into the cosmos. The James Webb Telescope will solve our largest issue so far, which has been the inability to view similar lights on planets outside of our solar system. And it seems that we found them. Probably our most searched friends are in Proxima b. Scientists believe that any intelligent civilization that exists on Proxima b could employ powerful mirrors or extremely bright LED style lights to illuminate its cities because the planet is tidally locked and has a constant night side. These cities' light will definitely soar into space just like Earth's, and we may be able to glimpse them for the first time there. The new telescope, which will operate 930,000 miles from home in a solar orbit and have a wider spectrum vision than any of its predecessors, will be able to see these lights. By calculating the curves from the planet and its host star, preliminary research has already been done to determine whether artificial lights can be seen on Proxima b's dark side. The two possible outcomes are artificial illumination with a spectrum identical to that of LEDs on Earth, or a narrower spectrum that produces the same amount of light as all artificial illumination on Earth combined. If the telescope can identify the narrow band light that resembles LED bulbs, it can describe the planet's atmosphere. As a result, scientists will be able to utilize a variety of equipment to measure the amount of energy transported across the planet and then compute light curves to check whether they correspond to those produced by an LED light source. If this is the case, we will have taken a step closer to determining whether Proxima b is a haven for extraterrestrial life. The JWST is a cutting-edge space telescope that was developed over 30 years for $10 billion. It will not be an exaggeration to describe it as one of the greatest scientific achievements of the 21st century, since it represents the future of space observation and one of the observatories we will rely on most to deepen our understanding of the cosmos in the years to come. Although the telescope will be able to observe most anything in the sky, its primary goal will be to study light from the very first stars to shine in the universe. This will enable us to witness the moment when darkness disappeared and the first stars emerged for the first time. The James Webb Telescope has experienced several development delays due to the equipment's complexity, but now that it's operational, it will assist us in unravelling some of humanity's greatest mysteries. One of the main reasons why the telescope might be the first instrument in history to actually find signs of intelligent life in the universe is its capacity to precisely trace sources of light millions of miles distant. The telescope may be our only hope for obtaining answers, as Proxima b appears to be one of the top contenders for hosting an alien civilization. The Parkes Radio Observatory in Australia picked up an unusual signal coming from the direction of the planet in 2019, providing the first indication of the potential for intelligent life on Proxima b. The signal apparently appeared over a few days during 5 separate 30-minute intervals while the telescope was pointed squarely at the planet. However, the reports are still a little vague. According to the evidence so far, the signal was condensed into a very small frequency band, which indicates that it was man-made and very different from any known natural radio sources. One of the largest unanswered problems is whether or not mankind should respond if it turns out that the signal is coming from another planet. Exoplanets, also referred to as extrasolar planets, are now well known to exist. In actuality, there is a ton of them. More than 5,000 exoplanets have been discovered, and scientists believe that most stars have their own solar system, while some have shown to be more exotic than anything we could have envisioned. Some exoplanets are startlingly close to imaginary worlds we've imagined, just like Proxima b. We can determine basic exoplanet characteristics like mass and diameter through ever-improving technology, as well as whether a planet is a solid, gaseous, or even possesses water vapour in its atmosphere. A brand new NASA project named the Roman Space Telescope will be able to find Earth-sized rocky planets, and is an astrophysics and exoplanets mission that might launch as early as 2025. Finding planets that are similar to Earth is one of the key objectives of the exoplanet study. The potential for remotely detecting biosignatures has recently attracted a lot of attention. The recent discoveries of phosphine in Venus's atmosphere in our own solar system has led to suspicion that the chemical may have been produced by a microbial lifeform. Experts in remote sensing have also suggested that plant life, which depends on photosynthesis for energy, could be seen in infrared waves because chlorophyll absorbs visible light but shines brightly in infrared, giving planets covered in vegetation a unique red edge. Based on the information contained in the wavelengths of light that reach the telescope lens, a single pixel image of a far-off planet may just have enough information to tell us if biological life is present. Beginning on July 12th, the James Webb Telescope started conducting scientific operations and has already produced some noteworthy findings. NASA published 5 separate celestial objects photos along with the elements Webb found within and surrounding them during its studies. While every piece of information obtained by the telescope was novel, one such finding concerned the aqueous atmosphere of a hot gaseous planet orbiting a far-off sun-like star. The planet in focus is WASP 96b, which is 1,500 light-years away and may be found in the Phoenix constellation in the southern hemisphere. NASA claims that Webb has recorded the unique signal of water as well as proof of cloud and haze in the atmosphere of this scorching world. So, we've arrived at the end of the video. Feel free to express your thoughts in the comments below. If you loved the video, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to share and subscribe. In the next one, we'll see you again. Have a great day.